Imagine you're a busy professional, juggling multiple projects, tasks, and deadlines. How do you stay organized and keep everything on track? You've probably heard of Trello, the popular project management tool. But did you know there's a Gmail integration that can streamline your workflow even further? And here's the burning question. Is it free? Let's dive in and explore the world of Trello for Gmail. We'll discuss what it is, how it works, and most importantly, whether it's a free tool or if there's a cost involved. What is Trello for Gmail? Trello for Gmail is a powerful extension that seamlessly integrates the functionality of Trello directly into your Gmail inbox. Think of it as a virtual whiteboard where you can organize your tasks, projects, and emails into boards, lists, and cards. Imagine being able to create a Trello board for a specific project and then adding emails related to that project directly to the board. No more switching between different applications or trying to remember where you saved that important email. How does Trello for Gmail work? Using Trello for Gmail is incredibly straightforward. Once you've installed the extension, you'll see a Trello icon appear in your Gmail toolbar. From there, you can easily create new boards, lists, and cards, or add existing emails to your boards. You can also customize your Trello boards to fit your specific needs. Add labels, due dates, and attachments to cards to keep track of progress and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Is Trello for Gmail free? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Trello for Gmail free? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Trello itself offers a free plan that includes basic features like creating boards, lists, and cards, adding attachments, and collaborating with others. However, if you need more advanced features, such as unlimited boards and members, priority support, and advanced search, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. So, while the basic Trello for Gmail integration is free, you might encounter limitations if your project management needs are more complex. It's important to assess your specific requirements and determine if the free plan is sufficient for your workflow. Benefits of using Trello for Gmail. Regardless of whether you opt for the free or paid version, using Trello for Gmail offers several significant benefits. Enhanced productivity. By organizing your emails and tasks in a visual way, you can easily prioritize and manage your workload. Improved collaboration. Trello makes it easy to collaborate with team members and share information seamlessly. Better time management. With features like due dates and labels, you can effectively manage your time and ensure deadlines are met. Increased organization. Trello's intuitive interface helps you stay organized and avoid losing track of important information. Tips for using Trello for Gmail effectively. To make the most of Trello for Gmail, consider these tips. Create meaningful boards. Organize your boards based on projects, clients, or other relevant categories. Use labels effectively. Assign labels to cards to categorize tasks and filter your boards. Set due dates. Use due dates to track progress and ensure deadlines are met. Add attachments. Attach relevant documents or files to cards for easy reference. Collaborate with team members. Invite team members to your boards and assign tasks. So, is Trello for Gmail free? While the basic integration is free, you may need to upgrade to a paid plan for more advanced features. However, even with the free plan, Trello for Gmail can be a valuable tool for enhancing your productivity and organization. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Trello for Gmail and which plan to choose depends on your individual needs and budget. By understanding the features, benefits, and limitations of this powerful tool, you can make an informed decision and streamline your workflow. If you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, give Trello for Gmail a try. Visit the Trello website to learn more and sign up for a free account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.